Guangzhou Jinyu Auto Parts Company Limited, a professional enterprise specializing in various kinds of car spare parts, including suspension parts, steering parts, transmission parts, brake parts, engine parts, body parts, cooling parts, and electronic parts. Our company, located in Guangzhou City, China, has accumulated extensive technical and exporting experience over the years, with a monthly sales volume of 50,000 to 100,000 pieces. We offer over 5,000 reference parts to our customers. Our commitment lies in providing high-performance, quality-guaranteed, and long-lasting electric parts. To ensure strict quality control, our associated factory in Zhejiang has high-tech machine, covering the entire production process from raw materials to final products. Our experienced staff members are dedicated to meeting your requirements and ensuring full customer satisfaction. We pride ourselves on our strict quality control for all King Steel brand parts, providing you with a better guarantee. Until now, we have exported to 180 areas and countries, including Europe, South America, Middle East, Africa, South Asia, etc., and 15 sole agents for our own brand, King Steel, in 15 different countries. Durability, perfect performance, perfect fit is our mission. King Steel will never compromise on product quality. Please feel free to contact us. Join us. Win-win together. We would be delighted to discuss how our partnership can enhance your business growth. Please feel free to reach out to us at your convenience.